XRP's value isn't just fluctuating between a few dollars, but reaching levels that could change the entire crypto landscape. It sounds like a bold prediction, but the reality is that XRP is positioned for an explosive rise. The reason for this surge is not just based on speculation, it's tied to one fundamental shift that is happening in the financial world right now. Blockchain technology and digital currencies are becoming the foundation of future global payments, and XRP is uniquely positioned to take full advantage of this massive shift. With increasing interest from financial institutions, growing regulatory support, and real-world use cases becoming more and more common, XRP has all the ingredients it needs to truly explode in 2025. The market is shifting towards blockchain-based solutions, and XRP is in the perfect place to ride this wave to incredible heights. The number one reason XRP will skyrocket in 2025 is its position within the financial world. XRP is not just a cryptocurrency for investment or speculation, it's a digital currency designed to solve real-world problems. One of the biggest challenges in global finance today is the high cost and slow speed of cross-border payments. Traditional banking systems and platforms like SWIFT are inefficient, costly, and often take days to complete a transaction. This is where XRP comes in. XRP was designed to make international transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Banks and financial institutions have already recognized this potential, and many are already using XRP as a bridge for payments. This means that XRP isn't just a speculative token, it's a working solution for global financial systems. As more financial institutions adopt XRP to streamline cross-border payments, its real-world use case will continue to grow, pushing the demand for XRP higher. In 2025, as the world continues to embrace digital currencies and blockchain solutions, XRP's role in transforming the financial system will only become more critical, setting the stage for a massive increase in its price. What makes this so exciting is the broader shift happening in global finance. Governments, central banks, and financial institutions are waking up to the power of blockchain technology. Digital currencies are no longer a niche investment, they are becoming the backbone of modern finance. As countries around the world move toward adopting digital currencies for financial transactions, XRP's unique ability to process cross-border payments faster and at a lower cost makes it an essential piece of the puzzle. The world is embracing digital payments, and XRP is in the perfect position to be a key player in this financial revolution. Whether it's large banks, payment providers, or even governments, XRP is poised to be at the center of this global transition, and this adoption will undoubtedly lead to a huge surge in demand. In 2025, as more of these institutions come on board, the price of XRP could explode, making it one of the most sought-after assets in the crypto market. With this combination of institutional support, practical application, and a growing global acceptance of blockchain, XRP's rise in 2025 seems more than just possible, it's practically guaranteed. Now that we've covered why XRP is primed for a massive surge in 2025, let's dive deeper into the key factor that will drive this growth: the global shift towards blockchain technology and its integration into the financial system. The financial world is undergoing a radical transformation, and XRP is positioned perfectly at the intersection of this change. As more governments, central banks, and financial institutions look to adopt digital currencies and blockchain solutions, XRP is becoming the currency of choice for cross-border payments. This is not just a trend, it's a complete overhaul of how money is transferred across borders, and XRP is at the heart of it. Blockchain technology is being recognized for its ability to provide faster, more efficient, and cheaper ways to transfer money. Traditional financial systems like SWIFT have been the backbone of global payments for decades, but they're often slow, expensive, and outdated. In contrast, XRP can process transactions in just a few seconds, and at a fraction of the cost, making it the ideal solution for international payments. This is a critical advantage in a world that is becoming increasingly digital and interconnected. As financial institutions look for ways to improve their cross-border transactions, XRP offers a solution that no other cryptocurrency can match. The ability to move money quickly and cheaply is more important than ever in today's global economy, and XRP has the infrastructure to support this demand. The growing adoption of blockchain and digital currencies by major financial players is a huge catalyst for XRP's rise. More and more institutions are recognizing the potential of blockchain technology, and many are already beginning to use it to streamline their operations. As these institutions increasingly turn to XRP for cross-border payments, the demand for the token will skyrocket. This is not just limited to private institutions. Governments around the world are also starting to explore digital currencies. The Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, and other global financial authorities are all considering the role that blockchain and digital currencies will play in the future of money. As these institutions adopt XRP for global settlements and payments, the value of XRP will naturally rise, making it a top contender in the cryptocurrency market. This growing institutional adoption of XRP is not just a passing phase, it's the beginning of a fundamental shift in the way money moves across the globe. The blockchain revolution is already underway, and XRP is one of the most important players in this space. As more financial institutions adopt XRP for its speed, security, and low cost, its value will continue to climb. By 2025, we could see XRP integrated into the very fabric of global finance, with its value reaching new heights. The stage is set for XRP to become a dominant force in the digital currency market, and with its increasing real-world adoption, there's no telling just how high its price will go. Now that we've established why XRP is uniquely positioned for explosive growth, let's take a closer look at the key players driving its future. The rise of institutional investors and the increasing regulatory clarity are two factors that will play a significant role in pushing XRP to new heights. These are the crucial elements that will provide the stability and widespread adoption XRP needs to truly skyrocket in 2025. Let's dive into how these forces will shape the future of XRP and why they make its future so promising. Institutional adoption is one of the biggest reasons why XRP's value could soar in 2025. For the past few years, institutional investors such as large banks, hedge funds, and other financial entities have been dipping their toes into the cryptocurrency market. But in recent months, we've seen an increasing number of major financial players getting more involved with blockchain and digital currencies. XRP has proven to be a key player in the blockchain space, particularly for cross-border payments, and these large institutions are beginning to take notice. Banks, payment providers, and even governments are exploring how XRP can improve their financial systems, which is driving demand for the token. The sheer volume of money that these institutions can bring into the XRP market is enough to cause massive price appreciation. As more financial giants begin to integrate XRP into their operations, the demand will increase, pushing the price even higher. Regulatory clarity is another critical factor that will influence XRP's trajectory. For years, the uncertainty around cryptocurrency regulations has been a major hurdle. XRP itself has faced legal challenges, most notably with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), which